on opening day of Swiss Open tournament in Basel. The news in detail. Prime Minister and senior BJP leader Narendra Modi today participated in a roadshow in Palakkad in Kerala as part of the NDA election campaign. This was Modi's first campaign event in Kerala after the general elections announcement. BJP State President K. Surendran and NDA candidates from Palakkad and Ponnani Lok Sabha constituencies were in the open vehicle along with the Prime Minister. After the roadshow, Modi proceeded to Salem in Tamil Nadu, where he addressed a public meeting. The National Commission for Women (NCW) and the Railway Protection Force have signed an MOU in New Delhi to prevent and combat human trafficking. Speaking on the occasion, Chairperson of NCW Rekha Sharma said, Railway Protection Force personnel deployed at railway stations are playing a crucial role in the crime against women and children. She said 70% of cases of human trafficking are related to women and girls. The Director General of the Railway Protection Force, RPF Manoj Yadav, said the overall objective of this MOU is to provide a safe and secure travel experience to women. Secretary Health and Family Welfare Government of Meghalaya, Ram Kumar Singh, today inaugurated the TB Culture and Drug Susceptibility Lab (CNDST) at RP Chess Hospital, Shillong. While addressing during the program, Ram Kumar Singh said that it is an important milestone in the fight against TB. This will help in providing culture and drug susceptibility testing facilities and presumptive TB, DRTB and for TB, DRTB patients here. It may be mentioned that World TB Day was celebrated in Shillong with the rest of the world with the theme, Yes, We Can End TB.
Even further, it's a language that communities understand. That is why the TB Free Village Panchayat Villages program has started. We are already there, about 250 villages will get the TB Free Village status. But people have to understand TB in much more simplified manner. Until that, it would be very difficult for us to take this as a public health movement. This is such an important task. So the main challenge is to demystifying it and telling people that it is serious. If someone at home have had TB, we need to be, because this has a long dormant period. It can be there in body for 10 years, 15 years. It will not manifest immediately. After that, it will manifest. And TB can be cured. That is also something which we need to know with the proper treatment regimen.
Internal Quality Assurance Cell (IQAC) Lady Keane College organizes a two-day international conference on climate change, indigenous knowledge system and food sovereignty on Tuesday, held at College Auditorium. Delivering a keynote address, NESFA's senior advisor Drupad Chowdhury said that contemporary agriculture or industrial agriculture is responsible for at least 34 to 36% of global warming in Ribhoi, as per the study conducted by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC). He said that agriculture also contributes around 86% of deforestation because of the expansion of cash crops and of plantations, adding that agriculture causes at least 86% of biodiversity loss. The two-day international conference is organized in collaboration with NESFAS and Meghalaya Climate Change Center, Meghalaya Basin Development Authority (MBDA).
To keep global temperatures, which are rising, to 1.5 degrees. If the global temperatures rise by more than 1.5 degrees, there's going to be serious problems. In Paris, when the UN called the UN conference,
The Additional Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills District, CP Maukon, yesterday inaugurated 14 PMYG Houses and BNRGSK building, which was constructed under the Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan (RGSA) in Sopian village. These houses were built under the PMYG program, sponsored by the central government, and the building was sanctioned through the Office of the Block Development Officer, Nongston CNRD Block, at an amount of 20 lakh rupees. During the program, Maucon urged the beneficiaries to make good use of their new homes. The program was attended by dignitaries including Lakador's Aim, Commandant of the 4th MLP Battalion, Sirian Walang, Headman of Sopian Village, and villagers.
Like po plus but she's passing wages nay te lagu no kan wan silak san po ini ke wadi re hadu ka jing tu nak ye hadu ta but ka jing sna jung pi kanam dap tang kata ngat kala pala je ni te ai kle ka ye kan ni ke ye kham tam ni sodar ba ki isi ba no khai ba pentik na ba ke ni ke ye ka dep ba ke de ke jing thu jung sarkar India ba bar khai ki
Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar today administered oath to re-elected Rajya Sabha member Sanj Singh in Parliament House. Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanj Singh is in judicial custody in connection with a money laundering case linked to the Delhi Excise Police policy case. Union Minister and Rashtriya Lok Jan Shakti Party Chief Pashupati Kumar Paras today resigned from the Union Cabinet. This came following the NDA's seat-sharing agreement in Bihar for Lok Sabha elections, in which Paras' party was not given any seat to contest the poll. Talking to the media in New Delhi, Paras announced his resignation, alleging that the injustice has been done to his party. Meanwhile, Raj Thackeray-led Maharashtra Navnirman Sena is expected to join NDA alliance. Afghanistan has alleged that Pakistani strikes on its territory have killed at least 8 people. Pakistan launched overnight air attacks inside Afghanistan in the early hours on Monday. The strikes came after 7 Pakistani troops were killed in an attack in North Waziristan region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa on Saturday. According to media reports, tensions flared on Monday between Islamabad and Kabul following the overnight raids. Pakistan has admitted carrying out intelligence-based anti-terrorist operations in Afghanistan. The 2024 edition of the Swiss Open Super 300 Badminton Tournament will begin today in Basel, Switzerland. In men's singles category, India's Lakshya Sen, seeded 7th, will start his campaign against Leong Jun Hao of Malaysia in the round of 32, while Kidambi Shrikant will face Wang Zhu Wei of Taiwan. In women's singles, 4th-seeded PV Sindhu is scheduled to face German's Yvonne Lee in the round of 32. In women's doubles, a 6th-seeded duo of Ashwini Bonnappa and Tanisha Crasto will take on Indonesia Melissa Trias Puspita Sari and Rachel Alicia Rose. The tournament will culminate on Sunday. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 22.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 51%, while in the evening it was 39%. Forecast: light to moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds roadshow at Palakkad town in Kerala as part of NDA election campaign. National Commission for Women and Railway Protection Force signed MOU in New Delhi to prevent and combat human trafficking. Secretary Health and Family Welfare Ram Kumar Singh inaugurated the TB Culture and Drug Susceptibility Lab at RP Chess Hospital, Shillong. Two-day international conference on climate change, indigenous knowledge system and food sovereignty at Lady Keane College. And In badminton, Lakshya Sen and PV Sindhu to begin campaign on opening day of Swiss Open tournament in Basel. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with more updates. Till then, have a good night.